Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate buttercream. So we'll be needing 125 grams of shortening, 125 grams of margarine, 500 grams of icing sugar or confectioner sugar, and half cup of cocoa powder. So let's get started. We are going to be mixing or creaming our margarine and shortening together until it is pale. Okay, this will help it mix together and soften it before we add our icing sugar. So while we are doing that, if this is your first time on my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and click on that subscribe button, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about cake decoration. We like to work with fondant, we like to work with wafer paper, we just like caking it. Okay, so we also like to hear from you, so please drop your comments. Also share the videos with your friend, share them on your social media platform, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up too. This chocolate buttercream is totally delicious. So the other two ingredients I forgot to mention is water and flavor. We are going to be using that to lighten the consistency of our buttercream. So now I'm going to be using my spatula to scrape around the sides of my bowl so that we can get everything together. So we'll start adding our icing sugar from now, bit by bit, and then we'll end it up with our cocoa powder and the flavor and the water. So you can see that the consistency is a bit dry, so I'm going to be keeping the mixer aside so that I can use the spatula to scrape the sides around and then continue again. So this buttercream can be used as a filling, and it can be used as on the sides of a cake to decorate it. And you can use any flavor that you like. I'm going to be using condensed milk because the condensed milk I have, the flavor is super. That is when you use it, it just keeps calling you. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my flavor now, 1 tablespoon of flavor, and I'm going to be adding some water until I get to the consistency I want. So just think about adding between 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and that includes your flavor too. So with the added water, our consistency is a bit lighter, and I can now use my mixer again. So I'm going to be mixing it, and then that will be it. Be careful not to over mix it so that you don't add too many air bubbles to your buttercream. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and remember to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.